If you want to enhance your TikTok account's security, removing all devices from your security settings is a smart move. Follow these simple steps to manage your devices effectively. Step 1. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the settings menu. From here, you can manage your account settings. Step 4. Select security and login. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Remove old devices. In the devices section, you will see a list of devices that have accessed your account. Identify the old devices you want to remove and tap on the remove or logout option next to each one. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your TikTok account, ensuring your security is up to date. Regularly checking your security settings is a good practice to keep your account safe.